least I have clean water.
I think I was pissing in the water. Look at that, that's fucking gross. They tell us it's safe to drink. I can believe that when the senator sucks my balls. So, yeah, Flint, Michigan. Our water is so fucking clean.
It's a quick reminder that, you know, even though we are in one of the biggest snowstorms I have ever seen in my life, you know, I've never ever been so appreciative of the fact that, you know, I can still have access to clean water to clean myself. I still have access to clean water to, if I absolutely need to, because I don't drink tap water. You know, a lot of people know I don't drink tap water, so it is what it is. But I can still cook with our water. I can still, if necessary, drink the water and not have to worry about lead poisoning or worry about my skin literally burning. So, you know, if you guys can, you know, donate $1. I'm donating my time, I'm donating money. I'm doing everything I can to help Flint, Michigan, and hopefully not just Flint, Michigan, because this is sadly, this is happening all over this country right now. People are getting subpar water. The water is becoming disgusting. The water is becoming basically unusable because of stupid decisions made by city officials, people littering, people not taking care of our environment. Whatever you want to decide, for whatever reason, you know, it could be as bad as Flint. You know, I think about that all the time. Like, our water sometimes leaves a really grody film on things, which is why I don't drink it. You know, I just boil it. But, you know, it's still, Flint still makes me really, really appreciate even that little bit. You know, and it really makes me even more cautious about the water that we do use and we do drink, you know, because these people trusted in their government. They trusted them at the end of the day to take care of the water, to make sure that they at the very least had clean water, had a necessity, even if their water was subpar, because a lot of city councilmen from this situation said that, oh, we don't want to go back to Detroit water. If you weren't aware, Detroit has been trying to give them water for quite some time, but by the time they could even help, there was already all these issues going on with our pipeline. In reality, Flint they need water, but they really need people to go down and to help reconstruct their pipeline. I don't know how to do that personally. I don't know what the city is doing about that, but I do know that I can, as an individual, help collect as much water as possible to help these people. So if you're down and you want to help, you know, click the link below, donate $1, just $1. That's all you have to donate. And that could help somebody so much. You know, a gallon of water is what a human being needs to drink, to be hydrated per day. $1. Guys, please donate. Please, if you can't donate, please just share this video. Please share the link. Please share anything you see about Flint, so we do not forget about these people, because they've been suffering since April 2014 now. Okay, and we're in 2016, and nothing is still happening that is long term, you know. So just keep them in your mind, keep them in your prayers if you pray. Just peace.